Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of modern home decor and the pivotal role of partitioning. As living spaces evolve, the way we design and utilize our homes is changing too. From creating cozy nooks to enhancing privacy, partitions are not just functional but also serve as stunning design element. Join us as we explore how these innovative solutions can transform your living spaces into a stylish and efficient haven. Partition has significantly influenced modern home decor, reflecting both functional and aesthetic considerations in contemporary living spaces. As urban living spaces become more compact, the need for flexible and multifunctional areas has surged. Partition, whether they are permanent walls, movable screens, or decorative dividers, allow homeowners to create distinct zones within an open floor plan. The segmentation not only enhances privacy but also facilitates the organization of space for various activities, such as work, relaxation, and socializing. In terms of design, partitions have evolved into stylish elements that contribute to the overall decor. Materials like glass, wood, and metal are commonly used, allowing for creative expressions while maintaining an open feel. For instance, glass partitions can create a sense of openness while still defining spaces, making them ideal for modern aesthetics. Additionally, decorative screens can serve as art pieces, adding personality and character to our room. Moreover, the trend towards sustainability has led to the use of eco-friendly materials in partition design, of more aligning with the values of many contemporary homeowners. The integration of greenery such as indoor plants or living walls within partition not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes a healthier living environment. Overall, the impact of partitioning on modern home decor is profound as it combines functionality with style, enabling homeowners to adapt their spaces to meet their evolving needs while reflecting their personal taste. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the impact of partitioning on the modern home decor. We hope you found inspiration for your own space, whether you are looking to create a scenery workspace, a vibrant social area, or simply add a touch of style. Remember, the right partition can redefine your home. Blending functionality with beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating. Take care. Bye.